Okay, so I want to show you now the post-market analysis. I finished already trading. You can see the market is live. This 3:40 p.m. here in Germany. A FOMC meeting today at 8 p.m. here. 2:30 was also something announced, but to be honest, I was not really clear about what is building permits. Is marked as high, but to be honest, I don't know. I don't know what was. The market also didn't react to that anyway. So it was kind of a bit of a spike volume, but basically nothing. So the market overnight session in terms of volume was totally balanced. As you can see, the sellers try below yesterday's low, buyers took it up again, but they were very fighting to hold this price or to take it above VWAP, which happened only for 1 hour or so. Then we had the open, which was at the volume point of control of the overnight session, above the ETH VWAP, inside the value from yesterday. So as it was at that point inside value day, which is, for me at least, normally means extra caution because you have quite some volume on a day that was all-time high, even though we have excess at the high, right? And yeah, so normally a lot of chop or indecision can come out of this last rollover week and on all the things I've been talking about lately. So the thing is, I broke one rule, which is the not trade 5 minutes before or after news. And I mentioned yesterday that that rule also applies to the market open. However, I mean, every rule has exception, and this in particular was very interesting. So I saw the market pushing up, right? The first reaction was let's push up, and here we have just way too many key levels for technical traders. Okay, the settlement is this dots line here is the prior settlement. Just as volume point of control, value area high in a balanced market, and the anchor VWAP from yesterday. 1, 2, 3, 4 key levels that they were pushing market down, pushing market down. So they tried for 2 or 3 minutes to push it. And when I realized, okay, they are not going anywhere, and if they go, my stop loss is very, very tight. I mean, it's just about this swing, right? In a technical perspective, that is a perfect stop loss. And my target was the other side of the volume area, the value area, okay? Which was also aligned with yesterday's low and the century 24,500. Again, all those levels could be really important for buyers if they want to keep the market in between certain levels. But for me, it was just a quick entry, quick short, not much different than yesterday, actually. The action from yesterday was also kind of aggressive to the downside, tried a bit up, then downside. However, the accumulation was a bit longer. Now the decision seems to be stronger. Okay. So I took some screenshots, right? Notes, opening, I'm describing here what is happening, what I see, and then here you see the screenshots of the trades. Again, I trade these two accounts. This account is smaller, so that is why I opened 2 positions initially, and I added 2 more, and 2 more. So I ended up with 6 contracts, micros, and in this case with 9. So that is my formula based on risk tolerance and size of the account. Okay. Then that was the screenshot I took just when a couple of minutes after I took the trades. Some done for today, I said. So actually I was calm. P&L was positive. I followed my process 4 out of 5 just because I broke this rule of the 5 minutes, but I gave my reasons. Okay, it was not FOMO. Okay, I also enter very close to the point of control of the session, which is also part of my rules. I will mark them as I didn't follow them. Okay. Also about the VWAP. Okay, so I was said maybe I need to actually review the rules just to be more clear about maybe the market conditions. So, for example, I have a rule of not going short if the price is crossing from above VWAP. But when the market is balanced, as was the case right now, that is a very normal pattern to see. The rule, when I wrote it, I was thinking about, okay, the market is going up, it's in a trend, the standard deviations are clearly in one direction, and there is a test of VWAP. That is where I have found myself trapped many times. That is why I wrote that rule, okay? That's the only reason. Drink water, yes. I took breaks, yes. What do you do well? Okay, basically what I just explained. What I did well is basically to read the markets, okay, to trade what was happening in the moment. Next steps tomorrow. Go with them, okay. And so you see now overnight low. I guess like yesterday, right? Yesterday was my target to front run the overnight low. They didn't test it in this case. Now they are testing yesterday's low. So okay, interesting. Let's see if sellers got trapped here. Of course, it's the second standard deviation of VWAP, which calls a lot of algos to go back to the mean. But yeah, anyways, it's not my business anymore. Let's see which tags the AI suggests me. Monthly up, weekly up, daily up, balanced market, value area low, short. Yeah, sounds good. Sounds good, actually. Yes, I took a trade. Now I'm going to show you how I import. So I'm going to import from futures desk, and this is Fiverr today, exported from them. So my time zone link, and then the futures desk. Okay. And boom. 3 trades imported. Have them there, right? They're all incomplete because I need to fill up the process, right? As process metrics. We're going to do it right now. We have was a very, very quick entry, right? So yeah, good, nice. Then enter signal. I would say it's a 4. It's not a 5 because we were in a bullish area, sort of saying, right, about this VWAP. Press follow. Yeah, as I said, I need to be more clear about these rules. I know I was shorting about VWAP, but again, the context is king, right? So the balance trading from one to one side. Primary fear, I didn't have primary fear actually. I was focused actually. I was really focused. Confidence level, okay, 3 or 4. I mean, I never feel confidence five, but maybe I will go for a higher today because I was also confident, or not confident, but I was quite okay with losing this trade because the level was so key here as a resistance. So if that was broken, I could have been trading maybe the long side after that to wait for a pullback and then go with. Okay, so positivity flag was planned, post trade, again, 4. Lesson learned. Okay, that is how I read the market. So that is for me one of the exceptions to the rule. Okay, let's see if I have something here to add more. Yeah, okay, it's Wednesday. It's already there. Q short planned. I like this one. High confidence, high signal. Process mean. Oh. Yeah, it's okay. So okay, let's be honest here. And even though I don't have the exception to the rules written here, and this is one exception. One rule that I broke. This was also almost there, as I said before, and this one, right? Which values did I follow? I was patient. Yeah, I mean, I was patient because I wait for the market to open, but I basically almost always do that. But yeah, just see, I was calm, I was prepared, selective, and process first. So yeah, good. I have the screenshots already in the notes, if the journal, so I don't really need to go to the screenshots here. I use it less and less here, but just because the notes in the journal entry is what I take more into consideration. So yeah, okay. Okay, sadly I have an issue here with the primary fear. Okay, I need to fix that. So I will choose one now. Sorry about that, but yeah, things happen like this. And so it's a small error in the form check, but I will fix it after this. So yeah, anyways, and then I will go back to it. Okay. That's it. I mean, I will do the same again with the other ones. I will also import the trades from Project X, which is this file. And so this is the top one features Wednesday FOMC. Okay. FOMC. Okay. Okay. Let's import these 3 more trades. So okay. Let's see to make it a bit shorter. Again, 100% win rate. Again, 2 days in a row is really not 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 the norm for me, but yeah, I mean, good P&L in total, right? And that's it. Then I will finish up this. I will also fix the primary fear that should have not happened. It's really optional. So yeah, I will save the draft, and then that's it. Hopefully you like the format. Hopefully you like. I mean, you don't need to like the way I read the market. This is really about journaling. I'm gonna show you how I journal and how I use the tool. I upload a video this morning showing all my statistics, really transparent about my numbers. And so what you can also expect after you start logging trades. So hopefully it's useful, hopefully is triggering at least some curiosity to experiment around, to use it, to use the feedback the platform is giving you. Okay, so see you in the next one.